In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a listing on eBay. Maybe your item sold elsewhere, you're out of stock, or you just changed your mind. Whatever the reason, the process to remove it from buyer's view is quick once you know where to click. I'll guide you through it from the eBay homepage to confirming the removal and share a few helpful tips so you avoid surprises. Start on ebay.com and look toward the top of the page for the sell option. Click Sell to open your selling workspace. This takes you into eBay's Seller Hub or the Selling Dashboard, where you can see all your items in one place. Before you go any further, make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're managing the right listings. If you sell a lot, it can help to glance at your active items list first, so you know exactly which one you're about to remove. Next, locate the listing you want to take down and select it by clicking the checkbox to the left of the title. That checkbox is important because it tells eBay which item you plan to act on. If you have many listings, use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow it down. Then confirm you've picked the right one by skimming the photo, price, and format. Selecting via the checkbox also makes it easy to remove multiple items at once if you ever need to do a bulk cleanup. With the listing selected, look for the Actions menu above your list. Click Actions to open the drop-down of available tools. From that menu, choose End Listing. This is the command that immediately stops the listing from being visible to buyers. eBay may ask you to confirm and, in some cases, select a reason for ending the listing. Just follow the prompt. If you see a notice that the listing can't be ended, it might be because there's a bid, an accepted offer, or an order in progress. In those cases, review the item's activity and handle any open transactions before trying again. Once you've ended the listing, refresh your page and check that it no longer appears under active. You should find it in ended or unsold, which is a helpful record if you plan to relist later. Remember, ending a listing stops buyer visibility right away, so use this when you truly want it removed. If you only need a small tweak, consider revising the listing instead. That's it. Click Sell, select the items checkbox, open Actions, and choose End Listing. Thanks for watching and happy selling.